Hello, everybody. In this question, a ball is dropped from the top of a building, and at the same time, a second ball is thrown vertically upwards from the bottom of the building with a speed of 15 meters per second. They pass each other 2 seconds later. Find the height of the building. So, if we think about it a bit, so if I were to draw it, suppose this is a building and the ball is dropped from here. So this is the ball when the time of being dropped. If I say this is ball A, and then there's another ball, this is dropped, so it's coming down, and there's the other ball, that's B, that's going up, it's thrown up. Okay, so they meet or they pass each other 2 seconds later. Well, they should be, it's not the right drawing. So maybe we should draw ball B somewhere here. So this is ball B and it's thrown up and they pass each other somewhere, say here. Okay, that's then A and then this is B. Okay, so that's the way it would look like, if you were to take, a snapshot at t is 2 seconds. So then, how do we find out the height of the building? So, well, we assume that at this 2 seconds, ball A has dropped by x meters, and the ball A has dropped by x meters, and the ball B has dropped by y meters. So we can say that height of the building is equal to x plus y. So that's the height of the building. Now, how do we find out what that is? So we will apply the formulas. So what we know that s is ut, distance s is u times t plus half at square. So here s is x for ball A, s is x, and then u is 0, it starts from rest, t is 2, and A is actually 9.8 meter per second square because it is actually g, the gravity. So then we can work out what x is. So x is 0 plus half times A is 9.8 times 2 square. So that is 9.8 times 2, 19.6. So we get x is equal to 19.6 meters. Now we have to work out what y is. So similarly we can work out y. So we can say that for ball B, the initial velocity u is 15 meter per second, and then we don't need the final velocity here, so that's why we use this formula. And then we have A, that is equal to minus 9.8 meter per second square. Because it's going upwards against gravity. So, and of course T is 2 as usual. So then we can work out that, and of course S is Y here. So Y is equal to 15 times 2 plus half times minus 9.8 times 4. 2 square is 4. So that is 30 minus 19.6, and that is 10.4 meters. So we get y is 10.4 meters. So y is 10.4 meters, so hence the height of the building, so height of building is x plus y, and that is 19.6 plus 10.4, and that is 30 meters. And that's the answer.